Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can download your Facebook video. So I have got a lot of requests to create video on how you can download Facebook video because it's not very straightforward. So today I'm going to show you how you can download your Facebook video. So I'm on my PC and I just choose one video here. So what you all need to do is click on that video or copy the link from this button and click here, click the URL, go to this website. This is one of the reliable websites or tools that I have seen to download the Facebook video. So I'll share that video in the description as well. Feel free to go, and there is a lot of tools as well out there in Google if you just simply search how to download Facebook video. So paste the URL here, click download. So then you can see different size of resolutions. So go ahead and download it. So to download 1080 pixels, which is HD quality video, you need to render it first. However, you can download without rendering the other qualities that it is offering. I'm going to create different videos on how to download Instagram videos, how to download maybe Loom videos. So I'll give the link below as well. Take care. Good luck.